Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of releasing your own music, you know how important a great album cover is. It's the first thing people see before they even hear a single note. So today, I'm going to show you how to design your very own album cover using Canva, a free, easy to use tool that lets anyone create professional artwork in just minutes. Whether you're an artist, producer, or just exploring your creative side, this 2025 guide will walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. First, open canva.com in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, look for the search bar at the top and type album cover. Canva will instantly show you a huge variety of professionally designed templates made specifically for music projects. You'll find everything from minimalist and vintage looks to bold, modern designs. Take a moment to browse through and pick one that fits your vibe or the mood of your album. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, click on it and hit Customize this template. This opens up the Canva editor where the real magic happens. Now, start by editing the text. Just click on any text box and type in your album title, artist name, or any extra details you'd like to include. You can change the font, color, size, and alignment until it perfectly matches your style. Canva has thousands of font options, so don't be afraid to experiment until you find something that feels like you. Next, let's talk images. Canva gives you access to a massive library of stock photos, textures, and graphics. You can search for visuals that fit your theme, maybe abstract patterns, moody landscapes, or neon city lights, or upload your own photos if you have a specific image in mind. Simply drag and drop them into the design and use Canva's tools to resize, crop, or adjust the filters. As you fine-tune your design, make sure everything feels balanced and intentional. The colors, the text placement, the overall energy. When it looks exactly how you want it, preview your design to double check everything is aligned and crisp. Finally, hit the download button in the top right corner, choose your preferred file format, usually PNG or JPG works great, and save it to your computer. And just like that, you've created your very own album cover, ready to share with the world. Remember, your album art isn't just decoration, it's a visual extension of your music and your personality. So take your time, get creative, and make something that truly represents your sound. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know what kind of cover you designed. Thanks so much for watching, and happy designing.